What is up, my beautiful babes and gapes of the world? It's your girl Keelan, aka Itskeilynnn, and I am back with another mother freaking video.
Perfect, she don't understand. She's worth it. All that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Don't be afraid to catch fish. Red dressed up and chased.
Now today's look is going to be another festive one. I am going to attempt to draw a Christmas tree on this eyebrow and presents on this eyebrow. But for the eyes, I want to keep it a little neutral since our eyebrows are going to be all festive anyway. So I'm going to start and go into my Nubian palette, and I am going to just take, I've already primed my eyes off camera, so I'm going to go first take this peach color here as a transition color. Now that we have our eyes all, now that we have the transition color on our eyes, it's time to go into this brown here, and I'm going to add that onto the crease of my eye. So now that I have that, I'm going to go into this gold color here and just apply that onto the inner third of my eye. Alrighty, so now that we have that, it is time to do lashes off camera, and I'll see you guys in a second. So now that we have lashes, it is time to draw our Christmas tree and our present. So first I'm going to take my Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day liquid liner pen, and I'm just going to start doing an outline of the Christmas tree. So now that we just have a basic rough outline of the Christmas tree, don't worry, it's going to look better as we fill it in. I'm going to move on to the present. And that's just going to be the generic box because we're going to fill that in with whatever colors we want in a second. Now, before I move on any further, I just want to say that I've already done everything else on the face, including blush and highlight, because I wanted to focus mainly on the eyes and this Christmas tree and present because I know it's going to take a long time for me to do. So now that we have that out of the way, I'm going to go into my James Charles palette, and I am going to take a small brush, probably a small angled brush, so this brush here, and I'm going to dip into these two greens to shade in the Christmas tree. So now that I have that tree shaded in, I'm going to go into the brown color here, and I'm going to fill in the trunk of the tree. So now I'm going to take my eyebrow tint. This is the Revlon Color Stay, and I'm just going to kind of draw like smaller lines in there in the tree so that it can look more like a tree instead of just a blob. So now that we have that, it is time to go in and draw. I'm going to attempt to draw a star, guys, now. Now, actually, I'm not going to draw a star. I'm going to draw like I'm going to draw a star, but it's going to be like the generic little star. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go into this this white liquid liner. It's the metallic liquid liner on a small brush. That way I can be Alright guys, it would be better, but my baby hairs are actually getting in the way, so we gotta work with what we can do. So now I'm just gonna take some random colors. I'm gonna go into the red, the yellow, and the blue, and just create Christmas tree lights with this small pencil, or with this small brush. And as far as placement of it, I am just placing them wherever I feel it I can place it. Now that we have that, it's time to go on into the present. Now for the present, I want it to be, I feel like we could do red. Yeah, we're gonna do a red present, but I want the bow or the outline. You know how some presents have like the little ribbon on it and the cross when you were a kid. That's what you did. That's what I did. So I'm going to make the bow blue. So I'm just gonna draw a blue cross in the middle of the box. So now I'm just gonna go fill in that box, or the rest of the box, with red. So now I'm going to attempt to do a little cute bow. I'm probably just going to make it look like a heart because I am not the best artist there is, as we all can tell. So I'm just going to take my liner again and draw like a little heart bow type situation. And then I'm going to make that blue. Alright, and now I feel like it is pretty much complete. So this, guys, is what I came up with. I'm not the best, but I'm just going to go ahead and set it with setting spray. Now I'm going to go in with and add my red lipstick from NYX, and it's the shade Monte Carlo, and I'm just going to put that on the lips. And this, guys, is the completed look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on that bell notification and share this video. I tried my best, guys. I'm not the best artist there is out there, but I'm going to continue to practice so that I can be somewhat better than what I am now. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Thank you for sticking around this far because it is a lot of work to post consecutively every single day. But anyways, stay classy and a little bit trashy, and I'll see you for day 8 of 12 Days of Christmas tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got this.